You've got to give way, dickhead.
His chest for an explosion of rage. To appear like everyone else.
Mate!
Source. Behind Lord Manthar, Lady Husky
I'm
had
overtaking.
stepped out from
You
behind
have
a
to give
tapestry
way, you
and
dickhead.
was now doubled over in a helpless flood of phlegmy chuckles.
You sped up and I've got it all on dash cam.
Sobbed out when she could find breath enough.
You're fucked.
But I should live to hear this.
You sped up to not let me pass. And I've got it all on dash cam.
For them to behave like adults. Past time, I should say.
Mate, you were doing 90 and then you sped up to 100 right on the overtaking lane.
And
You're an
just
idiot.
how long? Lord Cathant inquired